Chapter 29. In the cafeteria line, I let a guy in front of me while I think about the TV studio. Besides all the great equipment the boy was running, there was a teleprompter near one of the cameras. A teleprompter! Those things cost a fortune. Some kids dream about getting an NBA contract or singing on American Idol. I can imagine sitting in front of a camera, reading from a teleprompter, just like Jon Stewart. But I'm not going to get to do it because I'm only a lowly 6th grader. After the lunch lady plops a few fish sticks and french fries onto my tray, I walk into the lunchroom and don't stop at Gavin's table. It's full. But before I make it to the table in the back, Tommy yells, "Yo, David, come sit with us." When I turn in that direction, a flying object hits me square in the forehead. "Bullseye!" Tommy yells. How does he do that? The guys at his table crack up and high-five him, including Elliot. Traitor. I expect more from Elliot. I expect him to remember when Tommy clocked him with that rock and I stood beside him while his mom glued his skin together. I expect some compassion as I stand in the middle of the lunchroom, with an orange at my feet. But Elliot just shakes his head and laughs, like all the other Neanderthals at the table. I hunch my shoulders, kick the orange out of my way, and slink to the table in the back. When I sit, 3 kids keep eating and don't even look up at me. One boy nods and goes back to his food. And a girl lowers her book, a crooked kind of perfect, looks at me, then puts the book in front of her face again. I haven't felt this lonely since the day Mom left. I choke down dried out fish sticks and oil-soaked french fries, expecting to be hit in the head by another airborne piece of fruit at any moment, but I'm not. When the buzzer blasts, I'm relieved. Made it through another miserable lunch period, only 177 more to go until summer break. As I watch the Neanderthals leave, I shoot death rays at their backs. Someday, I'll be a famous talk show host, and the only way they'll appear on TV is in police mugshots on the 6 o'clock news.